Today we'll be going over the assembly for the Heise-Chase-WS expandable wheel light. Start by removing the wheel from the vehicle. Then measure the internal diameter of the rim. In this example, it is 15 1/4 inches. Next, measure the diameter of the brake assembly. In this example, it is 9 1/4 inches. Now subtract the brake measurement from the rim measurement, then divide it by 2. Finally, add the brake measurement to the answer to get the median diameter. This diameter will center the wheel ring perfectly between the brake and the rim. Look up the value in the instruction table. For this example, the median diameter was 12 1/4 inches. The split one column in the table will show how to assemble the first side of the ring and screw placement. Make sure to apply the included thread lock to each of the screws when assembling. Refer to the table again, this time to split 2 column to find the correct assembly and screw placement for the second side of the ring. After determining which of the 2 LED strips is longer, start applying the longer strip to the outside of the ring. And the shorter strip to the inside. Place a cable tie every 3rd cut point. Cut points are copper contacts that occur every 2 inches. It's recommended to work in sections. Then cut the strips to the length at the closest cut point. Using the supplied silicone and caps, place a small amount of silicone inside the cap. Then push the cap onto the LED strip. The expandable wheel light ring is now ready to install. For any more information on this product, you could visit HeiseLED.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.